Are we live? Yes, we are live. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, wherever you are around the world. This is Regina. Happy to be here. I'm very grateful to be in front of you today. It's just a privilege for me to be able to share with you my journey to digital business. So I am very proud and very happy. Digital business owner, entrepreneur, you name it. I'm no longer just a laid out, or I'm no longer just an ordinary employee. I'm no longer just an fired or was laid up or was fired employee. I think being fired and being laid up is quite different terms. I was fired at my job because I was stressed. I was submissive to other people that I did not know really how to protect myself. So I am very grateful to become a digital business owner. And so I am sharing with you how I changed my life. I used to be like you. I used to work double jobs. I learned how to be quiet. I learned to just submit myself so I can keep a job. I struggled for many years to keep a job, and finally, God has its own way. He has a different plan for me, which I refuse to follow. And believe me, He knows what's best for you. And if you are trying to ignore Him and refuse, He has a magical way to push your way, to push His will on you, and He will do everything for Him, everything necessary for Him to follow you. So I am here. I am now a digital business owner, and I believe that everything I went through in life is to bring me in this purpose. I am now walking on His will. I'm walking on His purpose and following His will of what He wants me to do. So today we're going to talk about how to set up your online business for success. So I'm going to think about this one, how to do this. Let's put it together. There you go. This is what we're going to talk about today, how to set up your online business for success. Where you are still algorithm. We're going to talk about algorithm, where you lied about algorithm. So most people are many people are still chasing viral videos, but the reality is simple. Views alone do not build sustainable online business. The algorithm has changed. What matters now is trust, conversation, and having a clear system behind your content. So today I am going to talk to you and explain to you a little bit more on this. We're going to explore more on how to set up your online presence for real long-term success. So that is what we're going to talk about today. So comment, learn if you understand the if you want to learn more and understand my business strategy. Okay, comment, share, and I'm going to show you how I'm able to change my life, how I'm able to used to be multiple jobs. I used to have multiple jobs and used to be depending on employment income. But now my life has changed in digital business. I have learned um, how to self-empower myself, how to use digital business to pay my to how I kind of do it this way now. Employment pay my bills, but ownership in digital business is building my future. So I want to share to you my journey, how I am changing my life story, and how I am doing this. So my name is Regina. As I said, I used to be like you. I used to be working double jobs. I used to stress myself out to go to work. I used to stay in traffic and crossing my finger. My gosh, I only have 5 minutes left to be at work, and all those pressures, guys. And I used to also learn how to quiet myself and to just follow what other people tell me so that I can get my shift over and go home. I used to be someone that people are talking about that I'm not part of the conversation. They talk about behind me. So If you are someone like that who wish that you can change your situation, that you can self-empower yourself, I want to meet you and let's work together, because I found the solution to many of my struggles. And now what I have learned in digital business is you can leverage on your problems. You can use that problems to solve other people's problem and earn your way to self-empowerment, earn your way to your own online digital business. Be an owner, become the self-empowerment of yourself to change your story. So I want to invite you guys to please use the comment button to ask me any questions. Any questions that you want to ask me any question, anything that I can help you move forward to your ownership in digital business. Oh, I got a love in here. Thank you, sis Chasel. Thank you for the love. Let me see that one. Thank you for the love. So use the comment button. And the best part that I'm offering to you, I am offering you mentorship. This is very important for someone who is struggling. If you have tried many different paths, but nothing seems to work, I'm here. I am here with you. Let's talk, let's chat, and let's find a way of how I will be able to help you. You do not need to invest a huge amount in my mentorship, but if you just want to learn, I have courses. If you just want to be coach, I can also coach you. If that's all you need from me is just to see how I am doing this, that is so fine. But if you want to build a business with me, be my partner, and everything else is no extra cost for you. Everything else that I can teach you is part of our global business partnership. So you can hop on board. Let's travel together. Let's cruise together. Let's fly together. Let's walk together. And it has no extra cost for you. You can leverage from my 6 years of learning digital business, and I can start with you and have you your own business in no time. Okay? Because I've been there. I've already know the path, and I already been there. So I can show to you that's the easiest way to get to the destination that you want to achieve. You can bike, you can walk, you can drive, or you can fly, or we can cruise together. So comment yes, use that one, okay? So today we're gonna talk about what's really important. Actually, what I really wanna talk about today is the belief of that most creators still believe that going viral is success, but thousands of viral creators are still not earning online because something has changed. And what is that change in thing? We're gonna talk about how to set up your business for success and using an understanding about algorithm. Okay, we're gonna think about this one, get this one in there. So there you go. So by going viral is not success anymore. It's changed. Thousands of viral creators are still not earning online. So something has really changed. And what has changed these days? So if you are doing still the old book is people were told you must go viral, you must get massive views, and your money will follow. But things have changed now, guys. If you are chasing views, trends, and attention, it is the old playbook. Something has already changed. Okay. The truth most discovered too late is that you can have 10,000 views, you can have 100,000 views, you can even have 1 million views, and still the views are temporary. You can lose them, right? And that is not business. When you are creating a business, you want your business to be consistent, and you also want your business something that you can expect a result, that there is something, that there is a pattern or a blueprint. So if you just do it that one time, one post can you can just depend. Oh my gosh, I got 1 million views on my post, and you think that that is sustainable for your business. No, it's not. It's not for me. For me, it doesn't work that way. I need to have the foundation and the strong foundation of my business so that I can see my business will survive, will thrive regardless of the views and regardless of the situation of what is going on out there in social media. Okay, so I'm going to talk about algorithm is our magic keyword today. That's our keyword today. Algorithm. The truth most discovered too late is knowing how algorithm can work on your side. You need to learn how algorithm, you need to know what the algorithm actually pushes. So understanding what is algorithm, okay? So today, algorithm, let us know about what is algorithm. What is algorithm? So this is how through my journey, throughout my journey in here, this is how I can understand or relate what is algorithm for me and how important is algorithm if you are leveraging on social media. So let's find out or define algorithm. So algorithm is a computer system that decides which posts to get shown to more people based on engagement and relevance. Okay, so we have here, it is a computer system. It decides, it's just like a person, it has a brain of its own, and which post has to be shown to most people. So if you are in social media, of course, views count for success, but it's not the only one. Now has changed. It has changed how you can earn income in digital business. Algorithm is a set of rules used by platforms and to decide which content people see and when they see it and how widely is distributed. So this is something that you will have things that, okay, if you want to get your post to be seen by people, you need to get the algorithm to work on your side, because it is the algorithm who push your post to the people to see you in different countries worldwide, on different kind of people of different walks of life. And it is also the algorithm that distributed your post in that platform that you are using. So you need to understand how algorithm works and how you can leverage or make algorithm works for you. Okay. So the algorithm is simply a platform's decision making. This is how I can actually relate this and make it shorter to understand. It is simply a platform's decision making. It studies what people like to watch, where do people comment on, and what people share, and then it pushes that content to more viewers. So imagine how important is this, right? So now we're gonna get more in details in here. We are going to understand what does it do, and it's according to this, to my definitions, is that it studies who are the people who like your post, who are the people who watching your post, who are the people who comment and sharing your post. And when these are present in your post, then the algorithm work for you, and that is how you can make it to work for you to pushes your post to more views. Okay, so now let us just a quick summary about algorithm in here is algorithm is like a digital gatekeeper. It watches how people react to your content. If people stop, watch, comment, and share, then the algorithm pushes your content to more people. If it's not, then it slows down the reach. So this is how important it is. And this is our keyword for your success today. It's the algorithm. You need to understand how algorithm works for you, and you need to understand how you can make algorithm to leverage into to push your post for more views. Okay, so I hope it's just very clear, guys. Okay, it is simply a computer system, and when you look at it, it is really a digital gatekeeper. It push you, it distribute your post to the people that are interested on your content. So if there are a lot of people who's watching you, commenting you, and sharing your post, then the more you get seen. If there is not much people engagement on it, then it slows down the reach. So if you are digital creator, if you are like me who leverage on social media, do not waste your time to just react. It's not helping you. Okay? It is not helping you. If you are a digital creator like me, where I leverage with algorithm, with the comment, like, share, and views, do not just put a reaction button and do not just react. It is engagement that now count. And I'm going to get more in detail with this one. When you are someone that is browsing here and you see a post, that is the algorithm working for you. And that algorithm detects that you are like an idea of content, like, let's say, cooking. If you love to watch cooking, people that's cooking, then algorithm will show you a cooking post, because algorithm has think that you like to cook, right? So if you're watching that one, and if you are a social media who also love to share about cooking, make sure that you just don't leave a reaction button. Make sure that you go down to the comment, leave at least 5 words in that comment. And how is that helping you? It will tell algorithm that you love that comment, and you will be recommended by the algorithm to the creator where you leave your comment. So it's just basically a give and take of time. You give comment time for them, and then the algorithm has also suggested you your content to the same person who loves to cook. It's simply as that, right? So do not just leave reaction button, but leave a comment. It is the engagement that will help you work algorithm to work for you. Okay. So now let's go back to another slides in here. So what the algorithm actually pushes, and this is how you can get algorithm to work for you. Today's platforms are rewarding conversations. That's what I always say, that engage, leave a conversation in the comment button. Trust and consistency. As a social media creator, digital creator, consistency is the key. Post every day, or if you are posting only once a week, you are gonna lose the algorithm, because you're gonna slow down, and the algorithm will work for someone else, because algorithm likes to work a lot. They are designed to work 24 hours, 7 days a week. So if you are not posting consistently, you're gonna lose. You're gonna get lost in the algorithm, in the system. As I said, it's a system that continuously working 24 hours, 7 days a week. So try to post consistently, and that is at least one post on daily basis. And you need to write valuable stories. You need to give value. People just doesn't want to see your picture, right? I see some people, they're just posting their picture and that's it. And looking at the camera and posting people, and that's it. People just doesn't want to see your picture. They are searching for knowledge. They are searching for information. They are searching for stories where they can resonate. Write something on that picture, put a text or a caption, or say something so that you can communicate. People, it is image. Image alone is powerful. It's a very powerful to use in communication. And if you add text, if you add voice on that text, it even make it more powerful to connect to people, to send your messages. And community interaction, that is what I am really enjoying with. And join groups, explore other groups. Okay, and all I'm asking for those people, the admin on the groups, if someone join in, please admit them and please allow them to share and post their share. Otherwise, if you then don't allow them to post, they're gonna leave. Why? Because you are not providing what they need. There is a reason why someone joined your group. They need support, they need to be seen, they need to be acknowledged. So if I am a person, I join in a lot of groups. I am a member of a lot of groups and I support a lot of people on the groups that I belong. I comment, I support them, I share their posts. That is part of what I do as a social media creator, as a community support. And that is what social media wants us to do. Social media wants us to support other people. Social media wants us to connect with other people and to engage. And that's what I do. So join the group and share your post in that group. And the admin on that group, I just really ask you to acknowledge your new people that join you. Allow them to post their creations so that you can support the reason why they joined your group. Because we are here in social media for a reason. We want to be acknowledged, we want to have views, and we want to be rewarded. And I am one of them. I want to be rewarded for my effort and more time, right? So please acknowledge us, acknowledge the people that will join you. And of course, clear creator identity. And this is a lot of people, and I struggle on this myself. I struggle on this for almost 4 years. For 2 years, I was looking at social media of how can I earn income. And for 2 years, I invested in so many companies, affiliates, drop shipping, bootcamp, courses. And I find that most of those times is not really me. It was not really me. In social media, you need to know your identity. It needs to be very important to know who you are, what you want, why you're doing things, and what you can help to other peoples that is seeing you. And that is now why you are seeing me. This year, I rebranded myself. I used to be a business strategist. That is my number one branding as business strategist and mentor. But this year, I am rebranding myself. I am focused more on delivery. And I put myself as rebranding high level mentorship because I find myself that I provide more than the average mentors. I'm providing more than what other ordinary people can offer you. I am providing who I am to you, my journey, and exactly my identity. I know who I am, I know my purpose, and I know why I am in digital business. And that is what the mentor that you need to look for. You need to look for someone that is know what they are doing. If you are new in digital business, mentorship is the way to go. Why? It will shorten the curve of learning and it will accelerate your result, your outcome to what you want to achieve. So the smartest way, I'm always advancing here. But before we move in, I got heart in here. Let me just send Kathy, sis Kathy, thank you for the heart. Woo! I am working. Sis Kathy is sis Kathy. I'm watching from Ontario. Thank you, sis Kathy. Thank you. And I hope, sis Kathy, that you can have learn from me today. This is my giving back session, sharing my journey to digital world out there. So sis Kathy is one of my team in my global community that now I'm gonna go talk to you guys. How amazing is this global community that I belong with? Let's talk about this. Okay, let's go back in here. Let's discuss this one. Okay, the smarter strategy. Number one, stop chasing viral moments. Stop chasing. It is not for a long term. It is only temporary. In a business, you want it a long term. You want a business that will take care of you even when you grow old. So start building a clear message. What is the value that you are giving to your audience, to your viewers? B, have a repeatable system, a system that you can see that will work for you, not you working for it, a system that works. And A, as trusted audience. You need to know who are the audience that you are following, that you're wasting your time with, to make sure that they are following you as well, that they are paying you back in terms of something that at least they like, they comment, they interact, they engage with your post. So do not waste your time for audience who doesn't engage with you, because it is not helping you. It is actually delaying your success in digital business. It is not helping you to earn more. It's so look for the people that will make time to write something on the comment button, because those are the people that will trigger and help you with the algorithm. Okay, to achieve where you want to go and how you want to get there. Everything about the business partnership will be about you. And the best part is that I'm very grateful because I can teach you from the very start until you become successful and confident in what you do. So comment